You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. On this vehicle, the air filter cover is integral with the engine cover. Lift the 4 latches holding the engine cover in place, then remove it. Then remove the filter.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Take the new filter. Put the new filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. Put the engine cover back on. Then lock the 4 latches. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.